Every journey, no matter how grand or transformative, begins with a single moment, a flicker of intention, a whisper of possibility. It's that initial impulse that sets everything in motion, a spark, a realization that something needs to shift, a desire for something more. Maybe you're out of breath chasing your kids, feeling the strain and wishing you had more energy to keep up with their boundless enthusiasm. Or climbing stairs feels like a mountain, each step a monumental effort that leaves you winded and weary. I've met so many people who felt stuck, trapped in a cycle of inactivity and frustration, believing fitness was out of reach, a distant dream reserved for others with more time, energy, or resources. But you don't need hours in a gym, surrounded by intimidating equipment and unfamiliar faces, or fancy equipment to start. The most effective workouts can often be done with just your body weight and a little bit of space. Your journey starts with one small step, a conscious decision to prioritize your well-being, just 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to begin building momentum and creating lasting change. Forget the stories of past failures, the times you started and stopped, the resolutions that faded away, or comparing yourself to others, their seemingly perfect routines and unattainable physiques. Today, you get to write a new story, a story of self-compassion, resilience, and unwavering commitment to your health. Right here, right now, in the comfort of your own home, without judgment or pressure. This isn't about punishment. It's not about forcing yourself to endure grueling workouts you hate. It's about celebrating what your body can do, appreciating its strength and resilience, and moving in ways that feel good. Make a simple promise to yourself, a commitment to honor your body and mind with just a few minutes of movement each day, 10 minutes just for you, a sanctuary of self-care amidst the chaos of daily life. That's less time than scrolling your phone, mindlessly consuming content that often leaves you feeling empty or inadequate. But it can change everything. It can be the catalyst for a profound transformation in your physical and mental well-being. You'll gain energy, confidence, a renewed sense of vitality that radiates from the inside out, and pride that spills into every part of your life, influencing your relationships, your work, and your overall outlook. No need for permission or perfect gear. You don't need anyone's approval to prioritize your health. Just a little space and self-belief. Believe in your ability to make a change, no matter how small. This is your starting line, the beginning of a journey towards a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. The journey to a healthier, happier you begins now. Embrace the opportunity to transform your life, one small step at a time. I'll be with you every step of the way, providing guidance, support, and encouragement as you navigate this exciting new chapter. Let's make today the day you start, the day you commit to yourself and your well-being. Ready? Let's do this. Let's ignite that spark and embark on this incredible journey together. Let's face it, the world of fitness can be overwhelming. There's so much information out there, and it's hard to know what's true and what's just a myth. And what's the biggest fitness myth of all? You need hours upon hours in the gym to see any real results. The idea that you have to dedicate massive chunks of your day to exercise is simply not true. Life is busy. Jobs demand our attention, family commitments fill our calendars, and the endless to-dos never seem to end. So, who realistically has an hour or even more to spare for a workout every single day? It feels impossible, right? That's precisely why 10-minute workouts are such a game changer. They offer a practical, effective solution for fitting fitness into even the most hectic schedules. They fit anywhere. Squeeze them in during mornings before the day truly begins, utilize your lunch breaks for a quick energy boost, or even get a workout in while dinner cooks on the stove. The real secret to their effectiveness is intensity. It's not about the duration, but about how hard you push yourself during those few minutes. When you know it's just 10 minutes, you're far more likely to give it your absolute all, maximizing the impact of every single rep and movement. High-intensity interval training is your best friend here. It makes every single second count, turning your body into a fat-burning machine in record time. It efficiently burns fat, significantly boosts your metabolism, keeping it elevated for hours afterward, and keeps you torching calories long after you've finished your workout and are relaxing. But the real magic lies in consistency. 10 minutes of exercise daily will always beat an hour-long session once a week. These short bursts build lasting habits, making exercise a regular part of your life, create momentum, making it easier to stick with your fitness goals over time, and boost your confidence, proving to yourself that you can achieve your goals. Plus, they're a fantastic mental reset, releasing those feel-good endorphins and significantly lifting your mood. helping you tackle the day with a positive attitude. You start your day with a win, a feeling of accomplishment right from the get-go, and that feeling is incredibly powerful, setting a positive tone for everything else you do. 10 minutes is achievable, making it a sustainable habit, and ultimately transformative for your overall health and well-being. You're not just building a stronger body through physical exercise, you're simultaneously building a stronger mindset, cultivating discipline and resilience. Make it a daily ritual, a non-negotiable part of your routine, and watch the incredible results stack up over time, transforming your body and your life. Your time is precious. Make every single minute count and unlock the power of the 10-minute workout. HEAT is the powerhouse behind your 10-minute workout. It's simple. Push hard for short bursts, then rest. This method burns more calories in less time and keeps your metabolism revved for hours. HEAT also strengthens your heart, lowers blood pressure, and boosts overall fitness. No equipment needed, just your body and determination. Moves like jumping jacks and mountain climbers engage multiple muscles at once. You build real-world strength for everyday life. HEAT is accessible, efficient, and incredibly effective. It's free, flexible, and fits any schedule. Get ready to feel the difference. Never skip your warm-up. It's essential for performance and injury prevention. A good warm-up gets your heart pumping and joints moving. Start with gentle marching on the spot for 30 seconds. Next, do arm circles forward, then backward to loosen your shoulders. Finish with leg swings, both front to back and side to side, to open your hips. Keep movements controlled and easy. This 2-minute routine wakes up your body and mind. You'll feel looser, warmer, and ready to move. Think of it as priming your engine for action. Dynamic warm-ups prepare you for anything. Just a few minutes now can save you from setbacks later. Let's get your body ready for the main event. Ready? Let's warm up. Time to get moving. We'll start with 2 classic HEAT moves, jumping jacks and high knees. Do 30 seconds of jumping jacks, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat once. Jumping jacks. Get your whole body working and your heart rate up. Modify by stepping out if jumping is too much. Next, high knees for 30 seconds. Drive your knees up, pump your arms, and keep moving. March in place if you need a lower impact option. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat the circuit. That's 4 minutes of heart-pumping action. Focus on form, keep breathing, and push yourself. These moves ignite your energy and set the tone. You're already making progress. Short, intense bursts, maximum results. Let's keep that fire burning. Now let's build strength with squats and mountain climbers. 30 seconds of squats, feet shoulder-width, chest up, sit back and stand tall. Rest for 30 seconds. Then, mountain climbers plank position, drive knees to chest, keep your core tight. Go at your own pace, slow it down if needed. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat the circuit. These compound moves work multiple muscles and boost your metabolism. Focus on quality, not speed. You're building strength that lasts beyond the workout. 4 more minutes. Feel the burn, embrace the challenge. Every rep brings you closer to your goals. You're stronger than you think. Keep pushing. You're almost there. Let's finish strong. Final challenge, plank time. Get into forearm plank position, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold. Aim for up to 60 seconds, but any time is a win. Focus on steady breathing and good form. If you need to drop your knees, that's okay. Just keep going. Each second builds core strength and mental grit. Track your progress and celebrate every improvement. When you're done, lower gently and breathe. You've completed your 10-minute workout. Take a moment to stretch and enjoy your accomplishment. You did it. Be proud. The real challenge is making this a habit. Motivation comes and goes, so set yourself up for success. Schedule your workout. Put it in your calendar like any important meeting. Habit stack. Link your workout to something you already do, like after brushing your teeth. Lay out your workout clothes the night before for a visual cue. Find your why. Write it down and keep it visible. On tough days, remind yourself of your deeper reason. Share your goal with a friend or join a community for accountability. Celebrate small wins and support each other. Everyone struggles with motivation sometimes. It's normal. Having a toolkit keeps you on track. Consistency beats perfection. You've got this. The most important message, the one that will carry you through every challenge and every setback. Believe in yourself. Truly believe that you are capable of achieving your goals. The biggest transformation, the most profound shift, happens first and foremost in your mind. It's about cultivating a mindset of strength, resilience, and unwavering self-belief. It's not just about your body, It's about reshaping your inner landscape, building mental fortitude, and recognizing your inherent worth. Every 10-minute workout, every single session you commit to, is a vote for the person you want to become. It's an affirmation of your commitment to a healthier, happier, and more empowered you. Celebrate every win, no matter how small it may seem. Acknowledge your efforts and appreciate the progress you're making. Big or small, every step forward deserves recognition. Longer planks, holding that pose just a little bit longer each time, better form, perfecting your technique to maximize results and prevent injuries, showing up on tough days, pushing through when you'd rather stay in bed. These are all victories worth celebrating. Keep a journal of your progress, document your journey and non-scale victories. Notice the improvements in your energy levels, your mood, and your overall well-being. Progress, not perfection, is the ultimate goal. Focus on continuous improvement, not on achieving an unattainable ideal. If you miss a day, if life gets in the way, don't dwell on it. Just start again tomorrow. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and move forward with renewed determination. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your body, and trust the process. Trust that consistent effort will yield results over time. Every day is a new chance, a fresh opportunity to make a positive choice for your health and well-being. You're planting seeds of health, vitality, and resilience for a healthier, happier future, a future where you thrive. Your journey starts now, the moment you decide to commit. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. This 10-minute workout, this small investment of your time, is a daily act of self-care, a way of nurturing your body and mind. You have the plan, the roadmap to success, the power within you to make it happen, and the support you need to stay on track. Believe in your ability to change, to transform, to become the best version of yourself, because I do. I believe in you, and I know you can do this. Let's get started. Let's make this happen together.